Welcome, fellow makers! Father Printmas here again with day 2 of December 2021 and day 2 of our 3D printing advent calendar. This week we have gone for the traditional tree decoration, but with an added twist. This beautiful decoration created by the fine maker here is your traditional star, but it has a snowflake in the middle. And it's printed in one piece, and the snowflake in the middle spins like a gyroscope. It is a beautiful, beautiful piece of design, and it prints out with no supports needed. Hanging on your Christmas tree, this will look beautiful. I've done it in goldy yellow here, but you could do it in any colour you wish. You could even put glitter on it to give it that Christmas sparkle. What do you mean it's a fake beard and it looks like it's made out of spider webs left over from Halloween? It's not. It's my Christmas 3D printed beard. Be quiet, heathens! So yes, this beautiful Christmas decoration is wonderful on your tree, and it also shows a degree of technical knowledge by the creator that shows that 3D printing can make things that you couldn't make any other way. In this particular case, a spinning, beautiful snowflake in a wonderful Christmas star. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you fancy buying me a mince pie and some sherry, there's a coffee account below. Stay happy, stay safe, stay jolly. Oh, drop the. There you go. Yes. Happy Christmas, children. Goodbye.